Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a slick circular progress bar, also known as a loader, right inside Figma. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make a professional-looking animated progress indicator that's perfect for apps, websites, or any UI project. No plugins required. Let's jump right in. So to start, I already have a circular shape ready on my canvas. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, just head to the toolbar, grab the ellipse tool, and hold down Shift as you drag to make a perfect circle. That's your base shape and it'll work as the foundation of your loader. Next, you'll want to copy this first circle. To do that, select your circle, then just hit Command+C and Command+V if you're on a Mac, or Control+C and Control+V on Windows. Now you've got two identical circles, one sitting on top of the other. With the top circle selected, we're going to represent the progress. Figma lets you set the arc property if you're using the ellipse tool. Simply grab the little circle handles on the edge and drag until your arc covers 50% of the circle. Think of this like filling a cup halfway. It visually represents that halfway loading point. Now let's create the full progress state. Copy that 50% circle one more time, the same way as before, and now adjust this new copy so that the arc covers 100% of the circle. If you're using the controls, just push it all the way around so you have a complete closed ring. Now you've got three versions, your original shape, a half progress shape, and a full progress shape. It's time to get organized. Select each shape, right-click, and choose Group Selection. This keeps all the elements of each state together, which is super helpful as we get more interactive. Don't worry if your groups look similar. You can double-click to rename each group something clear like empty, half, and full for your own reference. Here, where the magic happens, select all your group shapes together, just hold down Shift and click each group, then right-click and hit Create Component Set. What we're doing is turning these groups into a set of interactive states that we can animate between. Figma calls this a variant, and it's incredibly powerful for UI design. Let's add interactions. Head over to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. For each shape state, we'll set up a transition. Click on the first state, drag the interaction handle to the next, and set the trigger to After Delay. This tells Figma to automatically animate to the next state after a short pause. Choose Smart Animate as your animation type and set it to Quick for that nice, smooth loading effect. Repeat that so your loader progresses from empty to half to full each after a brief delay. Now it's time to see it in action. Go to your Assets panel and you'll find your new component set. Drag it onto a frame just like you would any other element. Finally, hit the Preview button up top. You should see your circular loader animate smoothly through each step, just the way a real app would display loading progress. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've built a customizable, animated circular progress bar in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see more quick Figma tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe for even more tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy designing!